Number one, we want to add these guys, but we need a common denominator. Now, the one guy's a 7 and the other's a 14, so I could make them both become 14s, but I got that x there. So here's what I'm got to do. I need to make this 7 become the 14, right? So we're going to have to multiply by 2. I can see that'll get me to a 14, which means if I multiply the bottom by 2, that 3 up top's going to have to get multiplied by 2. Now, that would give me 14, but it'll give me 14x, meaning this guy needs an x. So I'm going to have to multiply him by an x, which means the top gets multiplied by an x. So now, notice the bottoms would be 14x. So the bottoms are great. They're both 14x's. The top is a 2 times 3, which is 6, plus 5 times x. And there's our answer. Now, most people would want you to write it as 5x first, then the 6 over 14x, but I'm just happy that you can get a common denominator here. Number 2, okay, he has a 5, he has nothing. So we know we're going to need a 5 here. So that top's going to have to get multiplied by 5 also. He has an x squared, he only has an x. So I'm going to have to multiply by another x, which will make him an x squared, but that means the top's going to have to get multiplied by an x. So this ends up giving us an answer. Up top, I get -3 because I didn't do anything to him, minus 2 times 5 is 10, 10x all over 5x squared. And you can leave it that way. Again, most people would want the x piece out in front, the number in the back, but I am fine with this.